Oh boy. Yeah, that's what I was talking about right there. This is my beef cross rib roast. I bought it because it looked pretty good, and it was only $6 a pound. So I'm going to smoke it today, and I'm going to cook it for about 6 hours. I've learned now, the longer the better, the more tender they come. I'm going to cut a little bit of this fat off the top of it up here. It's quite a bit, but my first time trying one, so we'll see how it goes. Well, there we are. I got it all off. Quite a bit, as you can see, it's pretty thick. I found out in the past that when it's that thick and it's that hard, it doesn't cook down very good, and it seems to stay pretty tough. This is going to be my rub for today. I've tried it several times before, and it's not too bad. I have a mixture of some dry rub from Weber's. It's pretty spicy and a little bit hot for me, so I've got about that much of there. I've got some ground paprika here and brown sugar, and that helps sweeten that up to kind of neutralize my rub. So I'm just going to mix all three of these together and put it in a bag. And all right, I got my smoker plugged in. It's warming up now. My meat is room temperature for sure, so I'm going to put my rub on it now, which is not hard to do, but it's okay. I'm gonna put that in there. I'm gonna have the fat side up. We're about 275 right now. Brown sugar really melts in the sun. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the middle rack, and I'm gonna set my timer for about an hour and a half. It's been an hour and a half that I've been smoking it. I'm gonna pull it out now and wrap it. Good. What I want is I want it to be degrees when I pull it out of there, at least. So I'm going to check it right now. Plenty of juice in it. That's why I'm going to wrap it. It'll stay moistened. About 160 right now. And that's just about right. By the time I pull it out, leave it in there another 4.5 hours. You can see the juice coming out. It's good. Okay, wrapper up time. Okay, there's another 4 hours out of the way. Let's see what this internal temperature is. It's been on 300 degrees, so it should be pretty good. .210 internal, 211. That's good enough for me. And it's really, you can see it's real kind of, I want to say mushy. But I'm going to let that rest for about 30 minutes. Okay, it's been about 30 minutes. So let's see what we got here. I looked in there, I just boiled all my water out. I'm not used to doing it that long, and I don't think it hurt anything. And all that sugar is, oh boy. Yeah, that's what I was talking about right there. Yeah, that sugar kind of burnt a little bit, but I think you can see, yeah, that's That's what you want right there. Awesome. Yeah, very nice. Well, it's got the nice dark smoke to it. As you can see, it's just falling apart here. I don't know if it's a very distinct smoke ring, but right around through there. That's as good as it looks. Well, there you go. Whoa. Okay, we've got some scalloped potatoes going, so we get this in the house.